Hello my dear fashion lovers and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to dress elegantly on vacation without overpacking. I can't wait until August until I finally go on vacation. I don't have much time left, so I've already thought about what to take with me on this year's summer vacation, and I'm going to share my tips with you today. But before we dive into today's subject, do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you do not miss out on my further videos. And now let's get started. Usually we have the following dilemma. We want to look elegant on holiday, but also we do not want to bring our entire closet. We have to pick wisely. Which pieces do we take with us that do not need a lot of space, that are not too heavy, and that we get the maximum wear out of? Now here is how I pack to stay refined, versatile, and light while traveling. I'll show you the key pieces, my outfit formulas, and how to make it all fit into just one carry-on. Start with your trip's style vibe. Before packing, I define the feeling: city chic, seaside romantic, desert calm, and then I build around that mood. So for example, last winter I went to the desert. It wasn't too hot, it was windy. I knew that I was going to need a lot of scarves to wrap around my mouth in order to not swallow too much sand or to not get sand into my eyes. I also needed various pairs of sunglasses. And in winter, I went for layering, of course. Now I'm preparing for a beach vacation, so that means I need several outfits for the beach. I need, of course, my swimsuits, but I also need cover-ups. And then in the evening, I want to go out. I want to have a stroll in the city. I want to have an ice cream. This is why I also need some lightweight dresses for the evening. So when you want to decide what to take with you, it's best to use the three adjective method. You find the three words that describe best the mood of your vacation. For example, relaxed, feminine, elevated. And then you know in which direction you should go. After you made clear which vibe defines your capsule wardrobe for traveling, you can choose a unified color palette. The better all the colors harmonize with each other, the easier it makes for you to combine the different pieces and to really get the maximum wear out of what you have. Choosing a unified color palette is my secret to never overpacking. I pick 1 to 2 neutrals and then I pick one accent, like navy, beige, or terracotta. This is how I make sure that everything mixes effortlessly. Now, what I chose here blends in perfectly. I can combine all the pieces. For example, here I have picked 2 dresses. I have a linen dress, this one here, and I have this beautiful summer dress. The colors, even the colors of the dresses harmonize, but of course I'm not going to wear one dress over the other. But the big advantage that I have here is that I could use this scarf for both of the dresses. I imagine to wear this maybe when I go on a city stroll with the linen dress. This might be my beautiful, elegant accessory. When I use this dress to go to the beach or to have long beach walks, then I can wrap this scarf around my hair in order to protect my head from the sun and still look super stylish. So it's not too close to the dress, and then I imagine this to work beautifully together. And this brings me directly to my must-pack pieces. For a beach holiday in the summer, I would definitely take a linen midi dress. Then you could take a blazer depending on where you are. But for me, as I'm going to Africa, it's going to be super warm, so I do not need a blazer. Instead, I'm taking this linen shirt. Linen is enough for me, and this shirt has a neutral color. It goes with all the other items in my capsule wardrobe here. This is enough for me, but instead of the linen shirt, you could also take a light blazer. Then, of course, we need some wide leg pants, So I would go for my linen pants here. These are perfect for any occasion. I can wear them at the beach, I can wear them at the dinner, I can wear them throughout the day when I walk through the city. It's just a perfect pair of pants. Then we need a neutral tank. For this occasion, I have this beautiful silk tank from Cezanne. I got it this season. They have it in different colors. I have here the light one that just blends in perfectly with the rest of my capsule wardrobe. Now imagine the pants, the tank top on top, and then play around with the scarf. And a must in my wardrobe is also this skirt. It is a linen skirt. It has polka dots. It has a beautiful color. I love it. I bought it this season and I wore it maybe once or twice, and that's a shame. So I really want to get more wear out of this skirt. This is why I'm taking it on vacation. Then we need a straw hat, of course, to protect our head from the heat. So I picked this one in a matching color that I can perfectly combine with the rest here. I also take a scarf, as I've showed you before. And of course, we need flat sandals. So this 10 color goes perfectly with all the outfits I have shown you. And the straw tote, of course. Of course, we need some sunglasses for the beach and some statement earrings for the evening. If I added 2 more tops, I could perfectly go with this capsule wardrobe for 2 weeks. So it's really not a lot of weight. Everything is super light. It doesn't need a lot of space. So I think this is really a good choice for your summer vacation. So when it comes to accessories, my advice is to keep it minimal but elevated. One elegant bag or statement earrings or a silk scarf. They change everything without taking space. And then I have the 2 times wear rule. So I don't pack anything I can't wear at least twice in 2 different ways. So this dress, for example, you can style it up with, let's say, a golden clutch and some heels for dinner, or you take this dress to the beach with the sandals and the straw tote. As I said before, the linen pants are just perfect for any occasion. So this could be your base for the whole vacation. You could also take them to the beach, but you can also dress them up for dinner. The possibilities are endless. Style shouldn't stop when you travel, but also it shouldn't weigh you down. Now let me know your dream holiday destination in the comments, and I'll tell you what I'd pack. If you like today's content, then please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you do not miss out on my further videos. See you in the next one. Stay stylish.